Go! Let me go! You ugly little thing!
That ought to hold you.
Help! Let me out! Let me out!
See how you like that?
Ah, the uniforms. Oh, Fidget, I knew I could rely on you. Now, you didn't forget anything?
No problem. Have everything. Everything on the list. Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
The list. Oh, well, I know I had it
Where's
right
the
here.
list?
The list. Yeah. Well, you see, it was like this. I was getting uniforms when I heard
You're not coming through.
I ran. I had baby bonnet, girl in bag, and Basil to chase me.
No puede ser. Basil on the case. Why, you gibbering little... Oh, my dear Fidget, you have been...
You mean you're not mad? I'm glad you're taking it so well. Not me, you idiot! No, stop! You stupid furball! Open up! Open up! Ay, ay, ay! Oh, ay, you hurt my wing!
How dare that idiot Basil poke his stupid nose into my wonderful scheme and foul up everything?
Let me out! Let me out! Help!
Oh, I can just see that insufferable grin on his smug face. Yes. Yes, I can just see it. Felicia.
I'm too young to die.
Fidget, you delightful little maniac. You've presented me with a singular opportunity. Poor Basil. Oh, he is in for a little surprise.